Hello and welcome to Caribbean TNA. Today at Caltech Customs, we have an unboxing of the Team Nemesis audio 5-channel, specifically the NA-K2200.5D. This is the Team Nemesis version. Let's get down to the unboxing. We have the owner's manual, Allen keys, base remote, notice base remote with clip indicator, can't get the focus, power and clip in. Cable for connecting the remote, amplifier. Zero gauge input, 8 gauge output. Tiffany style RCA. Channel 1, 2, 3, 4 and the 5th channel for sub with subsonic filter going down to 10 Hz, low pass filter 35 Hz, bass boost 9 Hz. Internal fan for extra cooling. Team Nemesis audio. Thanks for watching.